Here at Total Appliance, we sell service agreements. It's basically home insurance. We will cover anything from your toilet when it's running. We'll come out, put a new flapper in. If your air conditioner goes down, we'll be happy to blow a drain line, install a new compressor, whatever you need to do. We serve residential and commercial, so we offer agreements to entire apartment buildings at better rates, and then individual customers, we're happy to serve their home. One-stop shop for everything appliance.
The key to having proper software is being able to determine your costs in order to make sure that your profitability is there. The better you can service your customer, the more service work you're going to get out of the customer over the years. As the company grew from a 1-truck outfit to a 75 or 80 truck outfit today, I realized the importance of upgrading to a better quality, more flexible, more expandable platform. I contacted ECS, and Darren and his crew were right there to lead me towards the SAP Business One platform, and it's been an incredible journey so far.
And once we got inventory up, ECS has been very methodical in choosing which segments of SAP we're going to implement. So we went into the finance department. We noticed immense differences in the finance department. It's allowed the president of the corporation much more visibility into day-to-day operations, and SAP Business One is to thank for that.
It has allowed our ability to track the materials and parts that are installed in the customer's properties, which allow us to control the cost of that customer and give them the fair market value for a contract renewal.
We have relationship maps that link from purchasing a part all the way to applying it to the customer's account. And then you could take that same part and then figure out what vendor we can cost it appropriately to. This is working in conjunction with our vendors. They tell us, oh, this part's on back order, we put a note in the system. And then on the receiving end, we receive it, it hits this portal that ECS was able to develop. We notify the customer and they're happy. Communication makes better business. We're getting tons of good reviews saying Total Appliance has their trucks very well stocked, and this is all thanks to SAP Business One. We know exactly what's on the truck at that given point in time. Now that we have more control over the day-to-day operations of the business, we feel more comfortable in growing. If we want, we could choose to acquire a business in a specific location, and then we could service those customers in that area. SAP Business One allows us to see what's going on the ground floor of our operations.